Hello. This lesson is about NEMS utilization in the automotive industry. Through the lesson, you will identify how an NEMS device can be used in STEM education promoting computational thinking skills. Let's start. The automotive industry has revolutionized with nanoelectromechanical technology, with more enhancing features coming with increasing safety of passengers, improving the durability of automobiles, as well as a low-cost replacement for conventional sensors. The main current applications of the automobile industry are as follows. 1. Tire pressure detection. 2. Passenger safety purpose. 3. Rollover and skidding detection. 4. Electronic stability of control of vehicles. 5. Rollover and skidding detection. 6. Electronic suitability of control of vehicles. 7. Vehicle dynamic controller. 8. Vehicle navigation systems. 9. Anti-theft systems. Nanoelectromechanical pressure and flow sensors, accelerometer sensors, gyroscopic, and inclinometers use nanoelectromechanical technology on a wide scale in the automobile industry. As an application, nanoelectromechanical pressure is widely used as integrated into the tires of vehicles to measure and monitor the pressure. It detects unsafe underinflated conditions more accurately by sensing time-to-time pressure and transmitting tire pressure information to the screen through a radio frequency signals. At a certain predetermined point exceeding it warns the driver about the condition. This will ensure the safety of both vehicles and passengers while helping to extend the durability of the tire lifespan.